Students, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel. Last video we discussed determinant. This video examples of determinant. First one, examples of determinant of a matrix. For example, order 2 cross 2. Example 1, given matrix A equal to 2 minus 3 1 2. This is order 2 cross 2 matrix. First you change the notation. Determinant A equal to determinant of 2 minus 3 1 2. Next you writing the names A11, A12, A21. This is A22. You know the order 2 cross 2 matrix for determinant finding formula. A11 into A22 formula minus A21 into A12. This is the formula. Already you know. So substituting these values in this formula. So A11 into A22. 2 into 2 cross 2. This is formula minus. Next 1 into minus 3. 2 into 2 4. This is formula minus. Next 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Next line 4. First you multiply the sign, minus into minus plus, next 3. 4 plus 3, the value is 7. So determinant A is equal to 7. Next, example of order 3 cross 3. Finding the determinant of a matrix order 3 cross 3. Given matrix A equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 5, 1, 4, minus 1, 2. This is order 3 cross 3 matrix. Solution. First change the notation. Determinant A equal to determinant of 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 5, 1, 4, minus 1, 2. This is very important. First you put the sign. Plus, alternative sign. Plus, minus, plus. I expand in row wise. Finding the determinant. You can expand any row or column, you can find the determinant. First A11 value is 1, the sign is plus, so plus 1, the value is 1. So you skip first row and first column, remaining values, determinant of 5, 1, minus 1, 2. Next that minus, first you put the minus sign, next the value of A12 value is 3. You skip first row and second column. Remaining values 0, 1, 4, 2. So determinant of 0, 1, 4, 2. Next you put the sign first plus. A13 value is minus 2. So you skip first row and third column. Remaining 0, 5, 4, minus 1. So determinant of 0, 5, 4, minus 1. This and all order 2 cross 2. So you know the formula. You know the formula for A11 into A22, my formula minus A21 into A12. So 1 into 5 into 2, formula minus 1 into 1. Next minus 3 into 0 into 2, minus 3, open bracket, 0 into 2, formula minus 4 into 1. Next plus into minus, minus. So minus 2, 0 into minus 1. Formula minus 4 into 5. So 1 into 5 into 2, 10. The formula minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So determinant A equal to 1 into 10 minus of minus 1. Next one 0 into 2, 0. So minus 4 into 1, 4. So minus 3 of 0 minus 4. Next minus 2, 0 into 1. 0 into minus 1, 0. Minus of 4 into 5, 20. So minus 2 into 0 minus 20. Next line 1 into minus plus 1. So 10 plus 1. Next minus 3, 0 minus 4, minus 4. Next minus 2, 0 minus 20, minus 20. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 into 11. First you multiply the sign, minus into minus plus. 3 into 4, 12. So plus 12. First you multiply the sign, minus into minus plus. 2 into 20, 40. So plus 40. So you add these values, 11 plus 12 plus 40. 11 plus 12 plus 40 is, the value is 63. So determinant A equal to, the value equal to 63. That's all this video. If you have any doubts, tell me in comment section. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button. Then only you will get my other videos. Thank you.